Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, today we're gonna be unboxing a Lenovo Neckband Earphone, the HE05 model. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys do, don't forget to drop a like and hit the subscribe button. And also if you guys want to check out my previous video where I unboxed my Honor Band 6, go check that out. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below, or you guys can just check out my channel, it should be there. Anyways, let's get into the unboxing, guys. So yeah, this is the band right here, neckband of course, and these are all the features. If you guys want to pause the video and read all of this, you guys can. So these are the main features right here, the frequency and the playtime, battery capacity and all that. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video right here guys, and I'm gonna remove all the tape so that I can unbox it. See you guys in a second. Okay, so I've cut all the tape from the box, so we're gonna pull it out and check out what's inside. Okay, it's this way I think. Okay, a lot of stuff in there. So yeah, this is the neckband right here. Get to this in a second. I'll do the more boring stuff first. Okay, so these are the earbuds. I think you can change them. So you have one there, so you have 3 sets. Okay, you also have your charger cable and your instruction manuals, which I assume is in English. The Honor Band had them all in Chinese. Okay, we're not gonna need this. So this is the neckband itself. Okay, so let's take it out. Check it out. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to unknot this. Okay, so this is how it looks. There's a light there because I turned it on. I think it may have a little bit of battery. Obviously you guys can't, I don't think. Ooh, these are actually magnetic, so they actually stick together. So it's kind of easier when you store it, I guess. So yeah, what do you do with this is you actually wear this around your neck, and then you connect this to each side of your ear. So yeah, I'll try to, even if I play music, you guys may not be able to hear it. You may be able to hear it actually. Okay, anyways, so that is today's video of unboxing the Lenovo neckband. So if you guys want to check it out a bit closer, if my camera focuses. Okay, there you go. So this is it, and then you have your charger port right here on the back right here where you charge it. And yeah, so yeah, that's today's video on unboxing the Lenovo neckband. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys do, don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and also turn your post notifications on by hitting the bell icon down below. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one.